Hey folks, Sportsmobile 83 here. I got in a tight spot a little while ago and had to chase a thread in a piece of steel, and just a quarter 20. And I got to thinking I needed a tap handle that I could get into a tight spot with. So here is an improvised tap handle, four-way stem key or Silcock key. You can go to a plumbing store and pick one of these up. It's for turning water on hose bibs, like the faucets on commercial buildings. And you can get these for about $5 or $6. But anyway, let me show you what it is. It's a 1/4 inch square hole, 9/32, 5/16, and 11/32. And I needed to get into a tight spot, so that tap right there fits perfectly in that square hole. That's the right size. And I got to thinking, well, if it works out that well for that, let's see. There's different size taps right there, isn't there? Well, that's the 1/4 inch. That one right there is the 5/16 inch right there. This one over here is the, well, maybe it's not the 11/32. Okay, well, anyway, there's two of them right there. Where is it? Is that it? Oh, got in the wrong spot. Anyway, so for taps, this right here would be a reamer or easy out or whatever you want to call it, I guess. Works well for that too. So anything with a square head that's smaller and one of those four sizes, this seal key could come in really, really handy. You know, chasing a thread, maybe not tapping, but at least chasing a thread worked great for me. It got me out of a pinch, and just wanted to pass the tip on. This one right here, part number B&K brand, 151-015. Got it at the local hardware store. Is about $5 or $6. So, just wanted to pass on a DIY, get out a hard spot free card. Y'all have a great day. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe and pass it on. I'd appreciate it. Bye-bye.